So I got this gift card for Christmas, and I'm just now getting around to using it. So I am on my way to get a gel pedicure. Much needed. So my niece wants to get her motorcycle's license. So I found books that I studied before I took my rider course and got my motorcycle license. So I am going to drop them off to her, let her borrow them, and get some studying done.